Hey fans, welcome back to Subi Tech. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of extraordinary camping inventions designed to revolutionize your outdoor adventures. From futuristic tents to high-tech cooking gear, this video showcases the most incredible camping innovations and unbelievable gadgets will blow your mind. Watch as we reveal the camping inventions of the future and how they can make your trips more comfortable, efficient, and fun. Coffee lovers worldwide drink about 590 billion cups of coffee every year. Some are so devoted to their favorite drink that they won't give it up, even when hiking in the wilderness. The team at No Normal Coffee feels the same way. They love the outdoors and coffee, so they created tubes of paste-like coffee concentrate. It's brewed coffee without the water, so you can eat it if needed. When mixed with cold or hot water, one tube makes around 20 cups of coffee. Made from 100% Arabica beans, sugar, and natural thickeners, a tube costs $17.50. The MutiFlex is more than just a screwdriver. It comes with 6 MutiFlex bits, an electric arc lighter, a saw blade, and even USB ports. Oh, and it's also a flashlight. With all these features, it weighs 887 grams, but its 3,500 mAh battery can last up to 4 hours on the highest setting, and the beam is visible from 300 meters away. Made from a durable mix of aluminum and 420 stainless steel, the MutiFlex is perfect for adventures and everyday tasks. For just $64, you can have this reliable tool with you wherever you go. The Qaou Beluga is a unique and versatile tent perfect for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. This two-person tent is made from recycled materials, ensuring it's eco-friendly. The tent's roof can be converted into a hammock, tarp, or sunshade, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different weather conditions or simply relax under the stars. With its multiple configurations and focus on sustainability, the Qaou Beluga is an excellent choice for campers who value flexibility and environmental responsibility. You can get the 3-in-1 version for around $227. The vast travel trailer by Sylvan Sport is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want adventure and comfort. This innovative trailer combines features typically found in larger trailers, focusing on versatility and smart design. One standout feature is its large rear storage area, ideal for hauling bikes and gear, with a side loading system for kayaks and paddleboards. Despite being mid-sized, the interior is surprisingly spacious, featuring a convertible dinette and a kitchen that slides out to become a full outdoor kitchen. The most unique feature is the expandable bathroom. The Vast can comfortably sleep 4 adults with 2 queen-sized beds, which can be arranged in various configurations to suit your needs. The Wolf and Grizzly Grill Edition kit is a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Whether you're backpacking, camping, or just love cooking in the great outdoors. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it's built to handle high heat and years of use. The frame folds flat for easy transport, and the grill surface rolls up for a compact, space-saving design. Weighing just over 2 ounces, it's super easy to take along on your adventures. Setting it up is a breeze. Just unfold the frame, attach the grill surface, and you're ready to cook. Perfect for use over a campfire or with a camping stove. This portable and sturdy grill is priced at just $14, making it an excellent choice for anyone who loves outdoor grilling. For $700, the Crafuel inflatable tent gives you a bag that, when inflated, turns into a cozy living space that feels like a small house. Setting it up is a breeze. Just find a flat spot, lay out the tent, plug in the pump, and inflate. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes, and you'll have your new little home ready to go. Inside, there's plenty of space with dimensions of 118 x 87 x 90 inches, comfortably fitting 4 people and their gear. The high-quality fabric keeps you protected from the elements, while breathable mesh windows and doors ensure it stays fresh inside. On sunny days, you can enjoy the view through the large skylight in the roof. The NorLense inflatable tent stands out because it comes with a built-in floor, making setup a breeze. Simply lay out the deflated tent where you want it, connect the pump, and watch it inflate into your new living space. For added stability in windy conditions, you can anchor the tent with stakes. These tents are built to handle winds up to 90 miles per hour and feature a robust design that's waterproof, fire-resistant, UV-resistant, and able to withstand temperatures from -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. NorLense offers tents in sizes ranging from 10 x 9 feet to 33 x 20 feet. Plus, if you need more space, you can connect multiple tents together to create a larger tent village, allowing you to move between modules without stepping outside. The KLARUS CL2 Lantern is your ultimate outdoor lighting companion. With its 4 collapsible panels, you can direct light exactly where you need it. Choose from 3 panel colors, red, warm white, and cool white, to set the perfect mood or use it as a signal or flashlight. The top of the lantern packs a powerful 750 lumen beam, and it's more than just a light source. You can charge your devices via the USB-C port or use its built-in 10,000 mAh battery to keep the lantern glowing for up to 200 hours on low mode. Plus, it comes with an iPhone charging cord adapter, so you can keep your phone powered up on the go. Built to withstand the elements with its sturdy, water-resistant plastic and equipped with a silicone hanging loop and tripod mount, the KLARUS CL2 is perfect for any adventure, camping, hiking, fishing, or emergencies. Get this versatile lantern for just $59.99 and brighten up your outdoor experiences. Discover the Anymaka hammock stand, your new go-to for lounging anywhere, anytime. This stand sets up in just 3 seconds with no tools or trees required. Whether you want to lie down, sit, or shift positions, it's super easy and adjustable to your comfort level. Built with rust-resistant aluminum, the Anymaka can support up to 550 L, making it sturdy and reliable. It comes with a handy umbrella, cup holder, and carrying case for added convenience. Whether you have a hammock already or choose one from their vibrant options, the Anymaka will have you relaxing in style. Perfect for the living room, campsite, riverside, or backyard, you can pre-order the Anymaka on Kickstarter or Indiegogo for just $299.